Go long! I got it! Nope, I don't got it. My timing wasn't right this time, but your timing is perfect to own this home. As the weather is heating up, how good would it be to have your very own pool? Nah. Location is so good, close to schools and shops, including the Yamanto Central Shopping Centre, and you're only a 2-minute drive to the Cunningham Highway, with direct access to Brisbane in one direction and Amberley Raft Base in the other direction. One of the best things about this property is it backs onto 7 acres of parkland. How good is that? And you don't even need to maintain it, thanks to Ipswich City Council. But please, do keep an eye out for fences. Oh geez.